How to fix login error on Monese application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of login errors, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Monese application. Tap on Monese application and simply offload app. Tap on offload app again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you log into your account, you shouldn't be facing any problems. However, if something comes up and you're not able to log into your account again, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.